Face masks from bananas. You can use banana as an all-natural homemade face mask that moisturizes your skin and leaves it looking and feeling softer. Mash up a medium-sized ripe banana into a smooth paste, then gently apply it to your face and neck. Let it set for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Another popular mask recipe calls for 1 by 4 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 medium banana. Mayonnaise face mask. Why waste money on expensive cream when you can treat yourself to a soothing homemade facial mask with whole egg mayonnaise from your own refrigerator? Gently spread the mayonnaise over your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wipe it off and rinse with cold water. Your face will feel clean and smooth. Egg face mask. For a little pampering, head to the refrigerator and grab an egg. If you have dry skin that needs moisturizing, separate the egg white and beat the yolk. Oily skin takes the egg white, to which a bit lemon or honey can be added. For normal skin, use the entire egg. Apply the beaten egg, relax and wait 30 minutes, then rinse. You will love your new fresh look. Face mask with vinegar. Wash your face. Mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with 2 cups water as a finishing rinse to clean and tighten your skin. You can also create a homemade face mask by mixing 1 by 4 cups cider vinegar with 1 by 4 cup water. Gently apply the solution to your face and let it dry. Lemon face masks. Create a facial that both exfoliates and moisturizes by mixing the juice from one lemon with 1 by 4 cup olive oil or sweet almond oil. Masks from mustard. Pat your face with mild yellow mustard for a bracing facial that will soothe and stimulate your skin. Try it on a small test area first to make sure it won't irritate. Milk face masks. Here's another way to give yourself a fancy facial at home. Make a homemade face mask by mixing 1 by 4 cup powdered milk with enough water to form a thick paste. Thoroughly coat your face with the mixture. Let dry completely. Then rinse with warm water. Your face will feel fresh.